This video will focus on eddy current loss in transformers. We'll cover what it is, what causes it, and most importantly, how to reduce it. This topic is essential for students and electricians working with electrical systems. A transformer transfers electrical energy between circuits using electromagnetic induction. The iron core carries the alternating magnetic flux, linking the primary and secondary coils. Unfortunately, this alternating flux causes core losses, hysteresis loss, and the focus of our video, eddy current loss. Core loss, or iron loss, is the energy wasted as heat in the core. It comprises hysteresis loss from repeated magnetization cycles and eddy current loss. Eddy currents are small circulating currents induced inside the core when the alternating magnetic flux passes through it. An eddy current is a closed loop of electric current induced in a conductor by a changing magnetic field. This is governed by Faraday's law. In a transformer core, these currents generate heat, known as I²R losses, wasting energy meant for the load. The process begins when AC flows in the primary coil, creating an alternating magnetic flux in the core. This flux induces an electromotive force, or EMF, inside the iron core. This EMF drives the eddy currents, which circulate and produce heat losses, wasting useful energy. The formula for eddy current loss, PE, is directly proportional to the core material constant, the square of the maximum flux density, the square of the frequency, the square of the lamination thickness, and the volume of the core. Key insight: doubling the frequency or thickness quadruples the loss. Eddy current loss is strongly affected by several factors. Frequency, flux density, and lamination thickness are squared factors, meaning small changes drastically impact the loss. Higher core material resistivity and smaller core volume help reduce this loss. The effects of eddy current loss are detrimental. The core temperature rises significantly, reducing overall transformer efficiency and increasing operating costs. Sustained heat also degrades insulation, shortening the transformer's life and increasing the risk of failure. The most effective solution is laminating the core. A solid core allows for large eddy current loops and high loss. A laminated core, built from thin, insulated metal sheets, forces eddy currents into small, restricted loops, dramatically reducing power loss. Laminations interrupt the current paths, breaking the cross-section into small, insulated sections. This results in smaller eddy current loops and less power loss. Furthermore, using silicon steel, which has higher electrical resistivity, gives extra resistance, further reducing the losses. Transformer cores often use silicon steel because it offers a good balance of low eddy current loss, low cost, and suitable magnetic performance for standard 50 or 60 Hz power transformers. Other materials like amorphous metal and ferrite offer even lower losses but are used for specific applications. Key methods to reduce eddy current loss include using thin laminations, as loss is proportional to the square of thickness. Using high resistivity materials like silicon steel forces eddy currents to meet more resistance. Amorphous metal cores offer up to 80% loss reduction, and ferrite cores virtually eliminate loss at high frequencies. While eddy currents cause losses in transformers, they have many useful applications. These include induction cooktops for efficient heating, magnetic braking in trains, and metal detection. They are also used in induction heating for industrial furnaces and non-destructive testing to detect internal defects. Here is a quick example calculation. With given values for flux density, frequency, thickness, volume, and the core constant, we calculate the eddy current loss using the formula. The final result is 5.4 milliwatts per unit of the core material. Remember, thinner laminations are critical, as doubling the thickness quadruples the loss. In summary, eddy current loss is caused by circulating currents governed by Faraday's law, proportional to the square of frequency and flux density, and reduced by thin laminations and high resistivity materials. Hysteresis loss is caused by core magnetization, proportional linearly to frequency, and reduced by soft magnetic materials. To conclude, eddy currents are induced currents that generate heat and reduce efficiency. The main solution is core lamination using thin silicon steel. While detrimental in transformers, eddy currents are useful in devices like induction cooktops and metal detectors.